Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious and easy chicken bok choy recipe. Now, if you think this is hard, think again. It's so simple and easy that you're going to make this at least once every single week. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you get all the vegetables ready, so when it comes to the cooking part, it becomes a lot easier. So the first vegetable we're going to be doing is we're going to mince our garlic cloves. Now, the easiest way that I find to mince a garlic clove is to put it down to your cutting board, grab the flat end of your knife, place it right on top, and then give it a quick smash. That's going to make your garlic clove really flat, allowing you to mince it a lot easier. For the next vegetable, we're going to be using your bok choy. If you have the really small one, you can just cut it in half and it's good to go. But because we have the big one, we're going to go ahead and cut it between 4 to 6 pieces, just like this. The final vegetable, we're going to be using your green onions, and all you have to do is slice them as even as possible. After the vegetables are done, we're going to go ahead and put them to the side and we can start making the sauce. And trust me, you won't believe how easy it is. The first ingredient we're going to do is we're going to use soy sauce. Now in my case, I'm using low sodium sauce, but you can use the regular one as well. A little bit of hoisin sauce. Then for the secret ingredient is a little bit of sesame oil. Now a little bit of this goes a long way because it has a really nice strong flavor. We're going to add a pinch of white pepper, but if you don't have white pepper, don't worry, you can use regular black pepper. The final ingredient, we're going to be doing a little bit of sugar. This is going to balance all of your sauce out, making it sweet, salty, and savory. Then we're going to mix this really well, and we want to make sure that the sauce has 0 lumps. Now with the sauce and the veggies done, we can start working on our chicken. We're going to start by getting your chicken breast, and we're going to slice it to small pieces. Now the smaller you cut it, the more tender and faster it's going to cook. For the marinade, we're going to do a little soy sauce, hoisin sauce, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and finally a little bit of cornstarch. Now all we have to do is mix this together and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. The longer you can wait for this to marinate, the more flavorful it's going to become. Now we're going to start cooking your noodles. So for that, we're going to place them into boiling water, and according to my package, we're going to cook it for about 6 minutes. You can either get fresh noodles or dry noodles. And if you want to know what dry noodles I'm using, it's called Orient Chef. And this one you can find at your local Asian supermarket. Now after 6 minutes, all we have to do is fully drain our noodles and then set them to the side. Now that we have all the stuff prepped, we can finally move on to the cooking part. So we're going to get a little bit of oil, we're going to heat up your pan and allow this to come up to a quick smoke. Now I'm only using enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Now we're gently going to place down your chicken inside the pan. Spread it around, and then we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. We want the chicken to be cooked at least 2/3 of the way. Now we're going to throw in your garlic and your bok choy. Then we're going to continue cooking for about 3 more minutes. We want the garlic to be nice and fragrant and the bok choy cooked half of the way. We want it to have snap, but not be super mushy. Now we're going to throw in your chowmein noodles and your green onions, and finally your sauce. Now all you have to do is give this a really good mix and allow the flavors to combine together. And it's literally that simple. Man, look at that. Now for the final part, we have to do the taste test. Oh wow, man, that's super good. I need to have a second bite. Man, that was super delicious. The chicken was marinated perfectly. It was crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The noodles had a little bit of crunch and they were still soft. The vegetables were cooked to perfection, getting that garlic flavor, and then the sauce brought everything together. It gave it that really nice umami flavor. Now, with that being said, you're definitely going to have this once a week, every single week. Now, if you want to learn how to make a super delicious compound chicken, don't forget to click right here and hit that bell for more delicious and easy recipes just like this one. Until next time, it was literally that easy.